All right, party people, so we are ready to kick it up a notch and we are ready for level 2. Let's see what it says. Create a landscape out of clothes. But Miss Ann, what's a landscape? So if you forgot already what a landscape is, that is A-okay. I'll show you a picture. Landscape, okay? A landscape is going to be something from nature, okay? Something outside. Usually we'll see a landscape with it going side to side, right? If you're holding your paper with the long ways sideways. But sometimes they do go up and down like this one, where the long side is going up and down like that. Okay, but what do we see here in this one? We see the sky, we see a river, we see some trees, the grass, mountains way in the background. So if you've talked about this in class with me, you might remember that this is a picture that has a background, a middle ground, and the foreground is what's right in front, okay? So let's see if we can make a landscape out of clothes. So here is my finished product. I'm really glad I added that scarf for the trees. So this landscape was fun, and here are some more examples I found online. I think this one is inspired by Starry Night by Van Gogh, which is a famous painting you might recognize. And here's another landscape with little sheep made out of socks, which was super cute. And this one I found online is a cupcake. So that's not a landscape, but it's still super cute if you want to give that a try. And our last example I found is a sunshine. So give level 2 a try and show me how it goes.